To find medical coding jobs in Chennai, you can explore the following options. Their outsourcing Oral Health, and hundreds of medical billing companies hire medical coders. Visit their careers pages directly to check for current openings. Recruitment agency social media platform. LinkedIn set job alerts for medical coding jobs in Chennai and network with professionals in the field. Facebook groups. Some groups cater to job postings in specific industries, including healthcare and medical coding. Networking events. Attend job fairs, workshops, or networking events hosted by industry associations like the Indian Academy of Medical Sciences or AHIMA, American Health Information Management Association. Institutes like Dr. Ram's medical coding companies in Chennai might have job placement assistance or training programs that can help you land a job in medical coding. B.Sc, Certified Professional Coder, to enhance your chances of getting hired. Dr. Ram's institution that provides training in medical coding, along with other healthcare-related education. Dr. Level 2 training is for CPC exam. Training classes are both online and offline.